Good evening, traders. I'm Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming back to my channel, Smart Index Edge. What a roller coaster ride the market served us today. It all began with a bolt from the blue. The Trump tariff news shook the sentiment and triggered a sharp gap down, 203-point gap down in the opening of the Nifty, creating panic across the board. But here was the twist. Despite the fear, Nifty stayed well within the previous day's boundary, and for what followed was nothing short of historic. In a dramatic turnaround, the bulls came charging back with fierce momentum, pushing Nifty to scale past yesterday's high and reach an intraday peak of 24,965. A stunning recovery that caught many off guard. But the story did not end there. As the dust settled, the index cooled off from the highs and closed around 24,768, setting the stage for more action in the coming sessions. In today's analysis, I'm going to break down the high volatility session, decode the key levels that triggered the reversal, and what it all means for the upcoming market moves. So stay tuned till the end because the market just reminded us that drama is not reserved for cinema, it plays out on the charts too. Now, let me analyze the levels for tomorrow and what has happened throughout the week. This was Friday. Friday, it started breaking below. That the previous week, Friday started and it was a status quo. Monday made a down move and Tuesday it was a lower low. So, and then Tuesday, same day, the market rallied hard, and Wednesday was a slightly a narrow day, consolidating, a little bit moving above the high of the Tuesday, but consolidated. And overnight, the news came in, Trump tariff news came in, 25% hike. Then market, even gift nifty started showing 198 points down in the market, panicking all the people. Panicking all the people, everybody, actually the big money does the same thing because retailers are the only people who react to the news. They react to the news, they actually their views will be changed and they will get confused. This is the play of the big money. That's what happened in the market. And even in the pre-market session, it was opening auction, it was showing 24,300, 24,200, even 24,100 also it was shown in the market. Finally, it gapped down to 24,000. If I place the cursor, 24,635, and the previous Tuesday's low was 24,598. It did not breach this level, and the history actually there was a strong rally. You can see a back to back rally. I am on the hourly chart. You can see hourly till 1:15, that is Europe session started. There only some sort of hiccup came in the market, and you can see a last hour big huge candle dropping down, closing below, closing around 24,765. This was the play actually. So let us see. This was an highly volatile session. The whoever spotted the reversal in the market early in the market, they would have made lot of money in the call option and simultaneously even in the put option also in the on the last hour. So let me, based on the India VIX 11.54, the calculations for tomorrow, the daily high to be 24,918 and daily low to be 24,618 and weekly low to be 24,371. These are the levels you need to mark down on your chart because those are weeks levels. Nowadays, market is not obliging the VIX levels. Probably the market players wants to change everything, and it is played in between. Anyway, whatever it is, you will have some boundaries for your trade that will guide you for the for any option writers or anybody, even for option buyers also. What can happen tomorrow? Tomorrow, you can see the market opened within the range of previous day, going past the Tuesday, Monday, this is Tuesday, Wednesday's high, and closing within the range. It appears nothing has happened in the market because price has closed within the range. And the previous day, Wednesday close was around 24,837 and the close on today, Thursday, 24,768. Again, it is a bearish close. So for tomorrow, the levels I have marked, this is based on the GAN cycle and GAN, this one. Though this the middle point, 24,798, anything above this, buy above 28,564 and sell below 24,738. If the mark already it has come below the 24,000, I mean middle line 24,809, so we need to watch. Some sort of pullback will be there. Straight away market will not fall immediately. It may again try to go higher. If it starts try to move higher, this becomes the boundary. 24,918 becomes the boundary. And then if it starts trading below, then it can break the boundary, break 24,618 also. Or it can end up within this range. The range between 24,795 to 24,597 is around 150. Let me measure this. If I measure this, this may be around 139 to see. This is the, if I take this, this is around 200 points range is there within this boundary. So market can trade within this boundary. Friday can end up as an inside bar, or it can breach this low also. It can breach this low, and tomorrow will be the first day of the month, August 1st. August 1st, first day of the month, and this is the 31st is the closing day of the month. So market has closed, tried to close within the range of 29th July, that is Tuesday's low. But weakness persists because if I take you to the daily chart, you can see clearly. Let me zoom it out. This is a cluster actually, it has taken liquidity. The sellers, whoever sold the market, their stop loss has been hunted and market could not, this is open high candle, Friday's candle, market could not go past this and closed below the, Wednesday's low, and it is a long wick there. Any up move within this range can be triggered for selling because still weakness, market is showing weakness, and market is not, even though a cluster of green candles, bullish closes you are seeing, but they are closing below the previous day low. And even this low also. This is Tuesday's close. Price has closed below the Wednesday's close, and also Tuesday's close. This is a bearish close. That is a drama pin bar. So market can do like this. Market can trade within this range for another Friday, one more day, and later on Monday we can see any another strong move, or it can strong move can be seen on the Friday itself as it was on previous Friday. It can mimic this price action. So the market is still weak. There is no sort of reversal I'm seeing on the daily chart. Let me change the moving average to 50. Let me enable the 50 and 21 period moving average. Let me remove this and let us see where is the price. Price has closed below the 50 period moving average on the daily time frame, and it is the strong rejection from the daily 50 period moving average indicating weakness. There may be consolidation for 1 or 2 days below this range, and market can proceed towards the lower level. And these are the monthly clusters. June and May clusters are there, and there is lot of liquidity beneath this market. Market can start moving down. It may be in the month of August also. Market may show its down move. I don't think market will reverse here. That's what the price action is telling. But anything can do. These big players can change the change the every scene and change everything, because that is big money. Money power can change everything. And poor retailers, we can analyze the charts and predict the market and anticipate something and get trapped. So if you are very alert in the market, you will not get trapped, and somehow you can be saved from this by analysis, by marking down the levels and all. It helps you to trade better. That's what we can do with the little money power. Coming to the Bank Nifty has also projected the same thing. It has gapped down, but it is below the previous day low, Tuesday low, showing weakness, and it is a sort of engulfing candle coming down, gapping down, and it has engulfed above this, taken the liquidity. Same sort. It has taken the liquidity like Nifty, and it has closed below. So weakness can continue even in the Bank Nifty. It can move down. The levels to watch out for is on the this is the daily level 56,290, 56,300 on the upside, and 55,623 on the lower side. Second resistance, 56,859, and second support is around 55,064. So I have some middle line I have calculated. So it is buy above 56,548 for tomorrow and sell below 56,081, and the middle line is 56,300. Any trade, actually now it has closed below this level. Selling it is showing. Sometimes market will pull back, and it will create an illusion that it is going up, and it may be sold into, because it is a weak candle. And if we go to the daily, same type of candle, same type of presentation, what is presented on the Nifty. So friends, trade wisely. It may another day of sideways movement you can anticipate, or if the market straight away gives down move, then it may start moving down below all this level, 24,511. Or otherwise, Friday may be a sideways day even within this range. Okay, friends, thank you very much. Thank you for listening to my analysis, and I wish you all the best and happy and profitable trading day tomorrow.